For those people that have been absent from our streams, hey FaiRLane, didn't see you there. And Andy, welcome. Daddy time for Nico. Oh, Nick, Aston, leave him alone. Leave him alone, mate. Come on. Leave him alone. So, for those people that have not been on the streams lately, aimed at a person starting with Mikroman. This is a Phase 101 game jam thing that he's put on itch.io. And it's basically to replicate Aston, come on, get a rest. This.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
And just as we talk about him, he subscribes like a true 22 months. Wow. Yeah, that's 8. Yeah, I mean, he's been like that since. When Nico had the last seizure about 40 minutes ago. 40 minutes ago. Anyway, so Docster's not Docster's Phase 101's challenge was to recreate this game that you can find in Chrome as an Easter egg, but you do it for a retro 8-bit stroke 16-bit system, not including DOS or consoles, I think. So there's many people doing it, yeah? I'm getting good at this now. Oh, saying that as he dies. So, over the...
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
I like how Doctor
Hi,
puts
John here.
oops.
Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Hey, Beef Supreme. Welcome. Welcome. Not
Hi,
seen you
John
before.
Here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Hey, yes, he slipped again. He's got to sort that finger out. He's got to get that finger sorted
Hi, John
out.
Here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Any more?
Hi, John here.
Oh,
Another
MRG's got
subscriber.
one.
Stay a while. Stay forever.
Dude, you and your personal quest, mate. You and... Oh, the start of the hypertrain, look. The finger's killing your bank account. Dude, you are very generous to a fault. I don't expect it, and it's nice when it happens. Thank you very much. As Mrs. OSK just said, at least I don't cry. She does. What breed are the boys? They are both Shih Tzus. They are both Shih Tzus. They're very old Shih Tzus, but they are Shih Tzus. Right. Eh? Oh, Nico's hiding in your room now. Right, we'll turn the cam off then, seeing as they've gone. Right, so we're trying to replicate that Dino Trex. So we've come up with a concept that's not a dinosaur related or anything like that, but it's related around his lordship. I don't mean to get Doctor's talking to you. Who's swearing? Right, so we have come up with this. Right, I'll just turn the music down a bit. And basically, we've based it around Nico because at the time the competition, well, not the competition, the game jam was created, Nico had a cone wrapped around his face, right? Why do Shih Tzus hate the rain? I have no idea. Why do Shih Tzus hate the rain? Oh dear. He's awful. Right, so Nico, for those people, Nico's had 2 operations on his eye over the last 2 months, and he had a cone on his head. So we've based it around this. So basically the concept of the game is I'm chasing him with a syringe and his medication and he's running away from me, right? So you'll get your coat. Right, let's put it on a bit. We're not putting on phase mode, but this is the game, alright? So we've got Nico running and he's got to jump over the trees, eat the cookies. And last week we managed to get music and sound effects put in. Now, if Nico doesn't eat anything, he falls back. And what's going to happen if I can... Here we go. Oh, why is it game over? It's not game over. We need to sort that out. But there's going to be me here. There's going to be me as a sprite here chasing him. And he's going to be... If he doesn't eat anything, he's going to get tired and he's going to fall into my clutches, yeah? Oh, I've got... Oh, yeah, I did, because we're testing this, aren't we? Yeah. Got live set to 1. So, oh! Rockby, welcome. Welcome. So, this is where we've got up to, yeah? So, we're on episode 13. We was working on the... send it to Prince. So, we've managed to get some music in. But it's not going to be the music that's going to stay in there. A certain somebody is going to make us some music. A certain somebody. And I think you all can guess who that certain somebody is. So at the end of last stream, we got the game over to finish, and I've got an idea as well to put in the game over. Yeah, where we have a key that puts the game back into difficulty selection, and then you can play the game again, but it doesn't reset the high score. Also, we have this where the health ran out, but we didn't test for the number of lives. I think it just went straight to dead, I think. And also, there was one thing on the game. I don't know if I've still got it open. Have I still got it open? No. There was one thing that was still on the game that we haven't done. And I was talking to FaZe about this. Right, so let's get it started. If you listen... Right, let me turn the sound up. If you listen... Oh. Would help if I could jump. Hear that? Doo-doo! Well, that's speeding it up, yeah? That's speeding it up. So... we are going to put some sound noises to let us know the percentages, the 100 marker. So we're going to put some sounds in there to let us know when the percentage is going up and when the speed goes up. So I found 2 more sound effects, which I've put in. So sound effects 8 and 9, out of the collection that was donated very kindly to me. They may not be the sound effects that are in there, but we're going to do the similar thing as boom. So we are going to do the percentage, because that's the one that's going to change the most. Yeah. So I got to figure out where that is now. I got to figure out where the percentage change happens. Generally sound effect. I don't know. These were, I think they were okay. So we got somewhere in here where we change the percentage. Now, where was it? Let's find the memory. Where is it? Invincibility percentage. Insert. Here we go. This one. Let's find where that is. There. That's it. Now. Yeah. So this is it. Sorted. So what we're going to do is we are going to... We're going to insert a sound effect in here. To do the noise... yeah, because we was it, what, 30 seconds before it changes. So what we're going to do... So right, load... We can do it here, but we're decreasing the speed here. Right, okay. So what do we do? What do we do? Right. Okay. It was in Nico, wasn't it? Here we go. This is what we want. So what I'm thinking is here. This is the change speed sound effect. So when we change the speed, it'll play that. But if we play straight away afterwards, change percentage, I have noticed that if you do a sound effect to start with and then immediately do another one, it doesn't play the second one. Yeah, it doesn't play the second one. So this will work because we can play the speed change, and then when it tries to do the percentage change, it won't play it. But because we're not running through the speed change all the time, we can do the percentage one. Right, let's see if we can hear it. Right, I've turned the sound up on the thing, and I'll turn it here so I can listen to it. Put it on that one so we can hear it do the... There we go. Did you hear it? So that's changed the percentage. Oh, I need to restart that. Right, let me speed up the counter so we can hear it a bit better. Oh, where's the game? Constants. Have I got it up there? I haven't got game constants open, have I? No. Right. Where is the seconds? Oh. Oh, it's there, isn't it? So, oh, right, okay. So that's 8 seconds. No, that was longer than that. Right, here we go. So let's we'll do it on easy to make life easy, but we should be able to hear the percentage go up. There we go. Did you hear it? There's the percentage going up again. And it's gone up again. Gone up again. Percentage gone up again. Oh, I'm not gonna get it, am I? Right. How am I gonna do this? I want to get the speed going up. Let's see. Let's make that a constant. So that's what it's set to at the moment, yeah? So that's what it's set to at the moment. So if we can knock it down now. We can go like that. That'll speed it up. There we go. That's the first one. John, you gotta be better than this, for crying out loud. You gotta be better than this. I'm thinking of taking the. That's what I'll do. That's what I'll do. I'll cheat. I'll cheat. If I can't play it properly, I'm gonna cheat. Right, so remember, you're listening to the. There, that's the percentage change. There's the next one. There's the next one. Next one. There's the next one. The next one. There's the next one. That was another one. Another one. Another one. Must be coming up to the speed change. didn't play the sound. So my thinking is wrong. It must have reset. Right, so what we'll do is then we'll move this and we'll get it to do it before we do the speed test. Here. We'll get it to do it there. So that'll do the percentage, but then it'll get overridden by the speed change. So let's change the... Let's knock that down to there so it'll run quicker. Yeah. So let's see if we. So this is going to be pretty quick, right? Oh, that's not playing sound, is it? Oh, it's not playing the sounds because it's not actually going through it. So we're going to have to do it here. Wasn't actually going through it. I need to create a game trainer. Here we go. There we go. So we're slowly increasing the insertion rate. Well, I should say not slowly. Did you hear it? It played the speed change. Now it didn't there. Right. So it's not playing the music. Right. Okay, so we're gonna have to do a flip-flop. Hey Nico, welcome. Right, so it's playing the percentage change. But the problem is it's not playing the speed change. So we need to do a flip-flop. I know what we can do. So where's store back? Store back's here. We can do it here. We can do it here. Right? To get to this point here, the carry's got to be clear, yeah? So what we're going to do is, if the carry is clear, right, so that means the carry is going to be set. We're going to go branch if carry set to play speed change SFX. So we'll get it to go there, yeah. And then this we will go to reset second counter. Which will be here. So it means then here we're going to set the carry, yeah. Here will always be BCC because it'll never go through the speed thing. So the carry will always be clear when it gets here. So we're going to test that, which will play that and then come out. Now, why are you... Oh, it's that. But because we're setting the carry here, we're going to jump past it and then we're going to play the speed change. Right, let's see if that works. Let's see if that works. Well, the percentage change is working. Go, did you hear it? Boing. There we go. So that did it on 105. There we go, there's another one, boing, and we're getting quicker and quicker. So every time you hear a boing, that increases the speed. The tickle increases the percentage. Now we've artificially speeded this up, yeah? There's the other one. So I reckon that's on level 6 now. It's pretty moving. It's pretty moving pretty quick, isn't it? That's got to be the fastest. There we go, it's gone again. The Benny Hill theme in disguise. No, this is some sound effects and music that we've been loaned until we get something just to put it in. Right, so I'll put that back to what it should be. There we go. So now we've got a sound effect that lets us know when the trees are going to get more frequent. And now we've got a sound effect that lets us know when the speed ramps up. Now, the other thing that I noticed on the game was this pterodactyl. Now, I've never seen this pterodactyl because I've never got 600 points or more. I've not reached 600 points yet. But apparently, there's a pterodactyl that comes. Yeah? And so we need to put that in. So we need to add something here. So we need to add a random obstacle. Obstacle. I don't know how to spell it. I don't care. We need to add a random obstacle after a certain number of points. So I reckon 300 because I think 300 is going to take a while to get to it, especially on the lesser difficulties. So now Saucy went and threw it out there. And there we go. Our graphic designer has just volunteered. Look at that, eh? John, you need to disable that "Are you wanna quit" dialogue. I jumped here with that terrible sound after join the soon. Okay, I'll sort it out. There we go. Saucy's telling you what we need. So what we're gonna do is reverse the Nico sprite and change the colour and call it Aston. Well, to be honest, we could just change the colour. Because Nico's white and tan, Aston's black and white, so we could. But that's the thing, yeah. So we're going to be throwing an obstacle, and what I've had to watch videos of this game, right? I've had to watch videos of this game to find out what happens. And what's happening is the pterodactyl comes in at different levels, yeah. Nico and Aston's run. So the pterodactyl comes in at different levels, yeah. Now, from what the video I saw, there was 4 levels. So there's predefined 4 levels, yeah. Now, I mean, we can do predefined 4 levels, you know, or we can just go, it can be anywhere between this range, yeah. So the choice is yours. From what I hello, mate. Are you trying to escape your brother? You're trying to escape your brother. Let me just lift this up so people can see you. Come on, come back. Don't get too close. There we go. Yeah. Your brother being a pain. Yeah. Your ears are wet through. Your ears are wet through. Yeah. They're saying hi, Nico. You alright? At least your tail's going, isn't it? Hey, at least your tail's going. Hey? You alright? You feeling better now? Yeah? You feeling better? Well, look at the camera. Don't get too close. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Show them that your eyes are a lot better. Look. Yeah. Show them that your eyes are a lot better. Lift your head up a little bit. There we go. There we go. Yeah, your eyes are a lot better, isn't it? Yeah. Let's have a look. Make it split screen 2-player. There was that talk. There was that talk on Phaser's stream. He was going to do two-player thing. What about if you can jump with both dogs on hard? Oh, that That would be hard. Say again. It's coded to be so. What, on the real thing? Oh, we'd have to look at it then. We'd have to look. But the problem is, if we have them, well, I suppose we could have them both on top of each other. But we're running out of sprites, aren't we? We're running out of sprites. Oh, it's coded in your game. Ah, right. Because we're using 3 sprites for Nico, and if we use another 3 for Aston, then it doesn't leave as much for the others. We'll think about it. We'll think about it. We'll see. So we need to put in the obstacle. So that, guys, do we follow the same philosophy as the game? Now the game has 4 levels where the pterodactyl comes in. It comes in at head height, shoulder height, belly height, and legs. Yeah, multiplexer. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Nicomo. If we can put in all the things that's in the game, so this pterodactyl space flying saucer obstacle in, then at least we're keeping true to the mechanics of the game. And then after we've submitted this to FaZe, then we can do what we like with it. Yeah, but I want to be faithful to the game as much as we can, but add a little bit of fun. Yeah. Simplicity and parallax in the same sentence. So, like I say, the flying saucer deadline is closer than we think. I think it's 3 weeks. I think it's 3 weeks, or is it 2 weeks now? So the flying saucer, are we going to make it randomly pick any pixel raster between, or are we going to do the 4? Just pick one of the 4 levels, yeah. So that's something for you guys to tell me what we think we should do. 19 days. Oh my. So while you guys are thinking that, we'll concentrate on the game over screen now. So what I was thinking for the game over screen is we need a way of... Oh, why have I got 3 breaks there? We need a way of coming out of the game over screen and then going back to the... Yeah, I thought that as well. But I'm giving you guys the opportunity. Right, so game over, game over, game over, game over. There we go, game over. I also thought, now... Right. Right, let's shut that off a bit. Like that. So, the game over screen. Oh, I left collisions off, didn't I? Right. So the game over screen. So here we go. So the game over screen. So what I was thinking was, do we just want it just to have a... We see it, we can see where we are, we can see what our high score is, and we just press a key and we loop back round, yeah? Because if that's the case, then we can get that sorted, because we've got the game over thingy. I didn't know whether to put any message scrolling across like we had like on that video. I didn't, you know, this game was developed by Old School Coder and his gang for the, and just say, you know, for the RPI retro game jam concocted by Phase 101. I didn't know whether we should put some text, you know, across here, you know, across this top where it's just smooth scrolling across the top or not. I don't know. I don't know if it would just be too much. I don't know if it would be just too much of self-indulgence. Because that would be cool. Oh, okay. I mean, it wouldn't take too long to do it. It wouldn't take too long to do it because we can do one row. We can multiplex one. We can raster split one row. Yeah. Knock it into the normal. Knock it into the normal characters, so we could use. No. Time out, then return to menu or type old school code. That's really self-indulgent. Right, let's see if we can split. Let's see if we can split one of the lines off, right? So we can have a message going across the top. So if I put it into what's it mode, here we go. Because this shouldn't take too long to do. It's famous last words. Right. Easter egg. Right. So we'll let it come in. Here we go. There we go. So if we go like that, we've definitely got one line there. We have definitely got one line on the top there, like that. There is no other spare line. Yeah, so we could scroll the top. What, before it went to game over, all the GAs? Yeah, I saw that. Right, so we will raster this line here. Yeah, we'll raster split this line. And we've got a little bit of play. So let's do this. So are we in game over? Yes, we are. Right. So our first raster is at 106. So this should be pretty straightforward. Because that's 65. That is for the that is for Nico's run logo. So 65. That's right at the start of the screen. So let's drop this down. So if it's 106, let's add 16 to that. So that's 75, 81. Right, let's see if that's affected us in any way. Which it has. Okay, so 61 must have been the top of that thing. So right, we can then do, let's figure out where we're going. So I'll put 2 in. So what's the top raster? 50? Right, let's see what that gives us. There we go. So we could put it in there. We could put it in there. Right. So we need another frame counter. Yeah, we need another frame counter. I think we're still using the original frame. Yes, we're still using the frame. Oh, we're still using the frame counter. So we could use this frame counter to control our scroll. Right. Right, we could, yeah, we'll use the frame counter because that's the one that governs everything. So we need to use the frame counter to control our scroll. So the first things first, let's get some text in here. Storage, right. It's text, isn't it, in single quote. We'll do that. Is it a quote or single quote? No, it's got to be double quotes, isn't it? That's why it's complaining. There we go. Right, so we've got some text. So, okay. So we need to do the X. We need to do the X, and the X needs to be independent of the one that's further down, right? So the best way of doing this is to use the counter. Now the counter's counting up. Counter's counting up, and we're going to be going backwards. Ooh. Hang on. We're not using... Are we using the... Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here we go. So we keep, all right, so we're keeping X static. Where do we reset? We've got to reset it somewhere. That's turning multicolour mode off. Do we not set scroll X? That's the blue section. Turn multicolour on. Turn multicolour off, but we keep the scroll X for the HUD. Oh right, okay. Okay. Where's the gameplay? How do we set the scroll? Here we go, display counter. Display counter. Let's find where that is. Are we still running through that? That is only happening. Right, that's only happening in the gameplay, but we can use that. We can use that. Because we're not using display counter, so we can use that. So what we'll do, that is after, that's right at the very end. Do we reset the scroll value here? Where's the HUD? That's the orange line. That's the red line. So this must be the HUD. Right, so we don't reset the X. We just leave it as it is. Oh no, we don't. Here we go. We reset it here, don't we? Right. We need to grab that as well. Right, so problem is display counter is being used on let me see. No. Right, let's grab the display counter logic, and we'll grab that as well while we're here. That will do. Go to the game over, and we're going to paste it at the end here. Check, still paused, which is here. They're the sprite movers. So we'll do that there. Right, so I'm going to store that. We need to load at the start. Here. Right, 65 is the logo, so it's this one here. It's this one here. And I want to OR it with to re-establish the XOR, but I've reset it there. This is resetting it, so we're going to load it and then store it in there. So that re-establish it and then we clean it out. And that needs to do just after the HUD. So where's the HUD? 220 here. In fact, we can do quite a lot here. So we can do that. Turn off multicolor. And reset. Right, turn off multicolor. It's just those two, innit? Don't need that. There we go. So that resets the X value to zero. And then we sneakily set that so it ORs it with the right value again. Yeah, that should work. That should work. Right. So here, got our display. We're going to decrease it and bypass scroll. So bypass scroll can be here. Right then. So, easy peasy lemon squeezy. We need so we can't have more than 255 characters, I think, because ASP. Can't have more than 255 characters, I think. Try and make this as simple as possible. So screen grab floor for next column. We don't need to do that because we know what it is. Have I got an indexer? No. That's the one, isn't it? Here we go, that's the one. So we can do it in there. We can do it in there. So I'm going to store this in where's the constants? We will store it in that one. So that's our indexer. Right, so we are going to LDA. We're going to grab that. And then store it in. It was the first screen. Welcome, Wormsoft. Wormsoft, yeah. No, I have not spoken to Shalon. A very nice compiler. Don't let Andy see that. Don't let Andy see that. Right, screen. Yeah, I was going to say don't let Andy see that. Right, so we are on 0 and we are going to put it up 39 character, comma X. Oh, we don't need comma X, do we? It's just 39th character. Right, display floor from start. I don't want to do the roll. I don't want to do the roll. So let's do a. Right. So we've put the character on the screen. So we'll do an ink of the 0 page. Is what? Hang on a second, guys. Nico's just had another fit. Yeah, Nico alert. He's just had another small one. Oh, it's strange. Strange. He's all right. He's lying down underneath Mrs. OSK's feet. Right. Okay. So we've placed the character at the end. So we need to move everything across. Now, the question is, the exhaust pipe plugged in? It might not be. I'm just thinking we need to... Is He's all right. He's moving, but he's a bit wobbly. Question: is it going to run on real hardware? Yes, it is. I've already tried it. Off stream. It works a treat. I will do it one day. I'll get my 64 out and I'll show you when we've submitted it to FaZe. Right, so question. We are going to move we are going to move our characters first. So LDY hash 39. How do the rasters look like? It was almost the same as the it was almost the same as Vice. Oh, that's only in this file. There's 1,000 lines in this file. We've got quite a few files in here. Right, so let's do the text mover. So we are grabbing from there DEY and storing it in there. And so then we can go
Will you bloody leave him alone? His ears are a mess because of you. Absolute mess. Pack it in.
Right, so that's the looper. So we move the character out the way. So basically we've done the scroll, we've done the 7 iterations, we've done the scroll. Loads of lines and all in decimal. Oh dear. Right. So, let me think. Where are we setting? Are we setting? No, we're not. We're not. Hex is harder. Don't need the CPY. Yeah, I was wondering because the STA doesn't affect it, does it? Yeah, STA doesn't set flags. Didn't think it did. I put it in just in case. Right. Okay. So let's see. This is gonna rotate round. We hit the 2.5. I don't. I'm just thinking of just playing it, just going through the once. I think. But then again, I could always reset the 0 page value. Yeah, yeah. Right. So we need to set the X. We need to set the X. So the X is going to be this. Right, where did I nick that from? Because I want to just make sure I've got this right. Because I think I'm missing... something. Set sprites, not there. Here we go. It's down here. Am I resetting the display counter? See if Andy broke something. I don't think. Right. So we need to, on that first line, we need to take what's in display counter and we need to put it in X. So where's our... There we go, here. So we need to put it in X. So if I do 49 here, that's going to be off screen, so that should be fine. I don't care about being off screen. So LBA hash scroll X and or I always like to use the if statement, makes sense. Yeah, I think we all miss challenge streams, to be honest. But he's taking some time out, isn't he? He's taking some time out. Right, so that sets the X value. What's the default value for the character set? Does anybody know what the default value for the character set is? Oh, someone sent me... Oh, hello. Someone sent me a file. Right, let's grab that. I'll look at that in a minute, mate. Look at that in a minute. Encrypted Trojan. Right, okay, so what's the default character set? What address? I thought it was 1,000. I thought that is where the default character set is, yeah? At 1,000, is that right? 010, let's do 010. Because I want to put the normal character set on and then it'll get set back to the other one. Right. Just, let's see if we've broke it. Well, we definitely broke it. Scroll's working. We've got this here. Right, let's sort the jiggle out. Let's sort the jiggle out. Right, that's stopped the jiggle. No, it ain't. There we go. That's stopped the jiggle now. So we need to reduce the sides. That's still in scrolly X, isn't it? What's scrolly X? 1.6. Yeah, number of columns. Number of columns, right, okay. So it's that one there. That sets the number of columns, and then here we will turn it off. Right, there we go. Oh, it's just creeping over, isn't it? That's going. Is that going into multicolour mode? Maybe I'll just leave it in 40 colour. I'd maybe just leave it in that mode. Hang on. So we turn it on. And here we turn it off. We'll just leave it in there. I don't think it's going to make any difference whatsoever. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Let's utilize some of the raster in between. 106 blue. There. Let's utilize some of that space there. Right, I'm just got a sneaky suspicion it was sending, oh, there was too much at the end of the frame. No, so it wasn't that. I don't get this. Oh, is that the scroll? Oh, that's the scroll, isn't it? Right. Where's our death? Oh, I should not say death. Game over. Here. Right. So we'll stick it in there. Oh, I've forgotten the variable name now. Where is it? Where is it? There. Right, so we'll set it there. That is now set. So we won't get any sort of contamination from here. So we scroll it, then we reset it back. Now where's the scroll that I took from here? There. We'll get rid of that. Right, let's see. That makes it more stable. There we go. So we've just got a bit of an issue with the thing, and that looks like it's multicolour mode. That looks like it's multicolour mode. Now multicolour mode, I think is it in there? Yes. Bit 4. So where are we? Where are we? We are here. Let's go to the bottom. Here, right. Multicolour mode. We need to turn that off. So it's that one there. That's multicolour mode. Yeah, and then we need to turn it back on when we get here. Here. Oh, that's what it does. It turns it back on here. Right, so we've turned it off and then turn it back on. So hopefully we should be okay. Rats. That's still in multicolour mode. Oh, who would have thought this was going to take so long? Oh, no, we're in game. There we go. We're back. We're back. We're back. Right. Everything seems to be in order, except we can't see the characters. So I'm not sure if anything's drawing there, so let's go into... Mate, what's the matter, mate? Hey? What's the matter, mate? Well, there's definitely nothing going on there. What's the matter, mate? Hey? Yeah. Come here. Come here. Say hello to your adoring fans. Hey. Say again. Yeah, say hello to your adoring fans. They're asking you, do you feel better? Hey? Your tail's not going, is it? Tail's not going, is it? Not a white font on a white background. I don't think so. I don't think so, because if we go to where's our screen? Where's our screen now? It's at 4,000, isn't it? 4,400. Let's get there. It's all the same. Look, it's all the same character. Look, it's all the same character. It's definitely black on black, because look, you can see it's black on black. It's definitely black on black. So what we'll do is
I've been doing this all fucking day. Common pain in the arse.
I apologise for the language you've just heard. Yeah, all seems to be full stops, but we need to change the colour. So what I'm thinking of doing is, I don't think we clear the screen, do we? When we go, we don't clear the screen. So what I'm going to do is, when we when we do to game over, I'm going to set the top, because I don't want to be setting them all to be white every time we're running through it. Just do it the once. So where's the game test? Here we go. Here we go. So LDY #0. We'll call it. We'll just put it as white. And in fact, oh, Docster, have you just given me some points and I didn't see it? Oh, mate. Yes. I'll make sure he gets something. I'll make sure he gets some treats. Right. Let's see if we get... Oh, I've got the background changing on it now, haven't I? Let's change the background. Let's get rid of the background change. Yeah. Right. Let's see if we get any text on the screen, because I doubt we will, but let's go to hard so it gets there quicker. Let's see. Right, okay. Well, there's definitely characters there, but they're not the characters that I would expected. What character set are we on that one? Where's the default character set? Is it 60,000? Right, the character set's at 1,000. How do I get the normal character set on? Right. Hello, Dr. Mortal Wombat. How are you? Welcome. What a brilliant name, Dr. Mortal Wombat.
Yeah, that's absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? 39 to 38. I think it's going on. It's just going too fast for us. I think it's going on, but I think it's going too fast for us. I think may need to slow it down. How are we going to do that? How are we going to slow this thing down? There's too many docs in here. How are we going to slow this down? I'm just wondering if this is running all the time. Yeah, I thought this would be right. Oh, let's... Right. That's for 1. Subtract 1. But it shouldn't be... Why are you erroring? Oh, there's a 0 there, that's why. Right, let's get this to the right memory location. Let's see what's going on. There we go. So that's where we're at. Yeah. Oh, trust it to give us invincibility. Oh, another invincibility. This is not good. It's just giving us invincibility all the time. Stop giving us invincibility. There we go. Well, that's not putting anything on the screen, is it? It's not even game over, is it? There we go. Right, look what he's doing. Dude, you've just been out. What's the matter with you? Come here. You've just been out. Right, do me a favour, yeah? Do me a favour, yeah? You gonna do me a favour? Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Let your friend see you. Lie down. Lie down. Or not. Yeah, my shifting's wrong. Because what we're doing is we're copying from 39 to 38 and then copying 38 to 37, 36, 35. So we're going the wrong way. So what we need to do is what? Oh, that you talk to SP. Right. So we need to, instead of we need to up Y. So 1, copy 1, move it to 0, 1, 2. Comes back round, copy 2 to 1. That should do it. Let's just see. Let's get to the right memory. So it's there. Don't give us loads and loads of invincibility. Well, we're going to jump you. Here we go. Bang. There we go. It's doing it. It's moving them. Right, that's doing it. So I need to check the colour because we're not seeing it, are we? What's the colour set to? I wonder if we've cleared the screen. That's not it. Oh, yeah, they're all ones. So why are we seeing it? Oh, it's because we're not seeing it. It's because the characters are not set. I need to find the right... Right, guys. How do we get the normal characters? What's the address for the normal characters? I know. Let's do this the old-fashioned way. Right, print peak alt bracket. Right, what's the number? What's the number? That one. 53272. $21. Oh, 10. And we have a 1 there. What's that one? Oh, that's the screen. That's the screen. That's fine. So it's 010. 010. And that's what I put in. Oh, 10. Do I have to switch the bank back? Do I have to switch the bank back? Oh, rats. Right, so the ROM is only accessible on bank 0, yeah? Or bank... Is it 0? But if I change it to bank 0, that means the screen changes. Ah, pants. Right, so we can't use the standard graphics then, because we've moved. And if I copy, that's gonna overwrite. That's gonna, what's it gonna overwrite? I suppose we could copy it because it's 5 till 6, isn't it? Oh, FaiRLane, sorry mate. Night mate, I didn't see that, sorry. What's my con about? Right, okay. So we're gonna have to go to our character set. The one that we've got for the HUD. Which will be fine because that means the character set is still there. We will still be in the character set. But it does mean that we've got to change our logic. Because I think our HUD character set, where's our HUD character set? Is at 6.4. Now, I wonder, is the characters first or not? And they're not. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, what's that? 5, 6, 28, 134, 134. Right, let's see if we see any characters now. Right. Got my numbers wrong. So we was over here. And also I noticed that it was disappearing. It was disappearing off there. Right. I don't want invincibility, come on. Why is that? Oh, is it 35? Oh, if you've just worked that out just by looking at it. Right, let's do 33 then. Don't believe it. Don't believe it. Yeah, the space is not in the right place. What's the space? Oh, the space is there, isn't it? So the space is an @ sign, isn't it? So if we do that, like so. Oh, it's so close. It's, have we got the, is the characters in the wrong order? A, B, C, D, E, F. Oh, look at that, it is. How can I insert a character? F, G and H are in the wrong order. Yeah. E, F, G, H. How am I gonna do this? I'll tell you what. We'll up it by 1. We'll copy it. We'll paste it there. Right, FGH. So copy that. Paste that there. Oh, okay. Right, copy, paste. Oh, it's there. FG. Now, how can we cut? Go on. Oh, yes, here we go. Right. Down to 4. 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's right. Alright, let's re-export that. Oh, hang on. Scores right. Bonus right. High score. Save. Let's sort that out. Oh, look at that. I didn't even look at the chat. Right, let's see if that sorts out the scroll. Remove unused letters, i.e. Q, Z and X. Just need to make it loop, yeah. And the way we can do that, is here. So we're not going to bypass, we want to reset scroll loop. Do that. Right, so so let's do this. Let's just add a few more of those. And that should scroll that message. Oh, no invincibility. Oh. Okay, what have I done wrong? If it's equal to 2.5, oh, it's this. Right, let's try this again. This was supposed to be an easy fix. I don't know why the characters are disappearing off the end. They're scrolling in right on that side, but they're not scrolling right on that side. Am I what I should also be hope you enjoyed. Oh, right, okay, hang on. That's me and my spelling. I don't know why the letter falls off the end. It just disappears. Is it because I'm doing it on the wrong counter? Seven would be all the way over there. Maybe it's not 7. Hang on. Where do I set the scroll value?
I'm not going down.
Where do I set the scroll value? Oh, past it again. Here. So that would be 7. Is it? Oh, okay. Okay. So you're saying that should be 0. Okay, let's try that. Oops. Oh, branch if not equal. Yeah. Okay. I have no idea why it's dropping off the end. It's certainly on the right scroll value. He thinks I'm doing a demo. Branch. Oh, right. Okay, let's try. If it's not equal to 7 instead of less than 7. I don't know why it's dropping off the end. Let's have a look. Oh, it's not copying to the end. Right. Right, it's not copying to the end, so why would that not be copying to the end? If we're loading 1, so 1, dy0 should store it. Oh, hang on. Have I made a boo-boo? Have I made a boo-boo? Hang on. Where do we set everything to be white? Where do we set everything to be white? Here we go. Yes, I've made a boo-boo. Are you joking? $39. Right, I'm gonna explicitly do it. Oh, that is just weird. That's just weird. I don't know why that's not doing that. Oops. Let's do it back in here. Right, there's white all the way across. Oh, it's doing it. I haven't the foggiest what's going on there. Right, so it's not that one. Oh, it's on the raster, isn't it? It's there. Oh, you wrong one. Wrong one. I want the pause one, don't I? Is that the pause one? No. There we go. It's that one, isn't it? Game over. We'll get there in the end. Night night, Gary. Right. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be. Have we set the wrong thing? Have I set the wrong thing? I won't be surprised. Oh, there we go. Well, would you believe it? Oh dear. To be honest, why are we setting it? That's the thing. We don't need to set it. I just thought we don't need to set it. We just need to keep it on. Because it's in 40 column mode at the bottom. Yeah, we didn't need to do it. All this time. Hey D-Type. Right, let's put that back. So, we've got the scroller. Now, a certain somebody has given me... Oh, I've got more messages. Hang on. No? No? I thought I had more messages. Right, somebody has given me a file. Oh, download. You sent me another one. Is that where the messages were coming from? Oh, right. So this is okay. So this is a new one, is it? Just bear me a second, guys. Let me just get this copied over. Wow. And these are the same colours that we're using in the Nico one, yeah? Oh, they're epic. Oh, they're epic. Right then, guys. Which should we pick? Which should we pick? Oh, the last one for SP. Anybody else has got any other preferences? We got one vote for the last one. Right, one vote for the second one, 2 votes for the last one. This one. Are we all agreeing on that one, are we? Last one with the darker grey. You mean like that? Oh, I have noticed something though. We are missing that. Is that better? Was that by design then? Okay. Oh, flashing light. Right. Okay. Right then. Number 5 it is then. Right, let's see. Can we copy and paste between sprite pads? Let's have a look. Let's see if we can copy and paste between sprite pads. I'm trying to remember. Is it that one? I thought it was trust. Right, where's the game constants? Game constants. What's last in the sprite? So Rocking Shield was the last one in the sprite things. So that's definitely that. So if we add 5 to... undo. 5. Thrust. Oh right, I see what you mean. Right, let's see if we can copy this. See if we can copy... Right, let's close that so I don't get confused. See if we can copy that. Copy. Paste. Oh, look at that. Oh, you're joking me. We're missing one. We are definitely missing one. Copy. Paste. That's better. Right. Cut. Save. Right then. So, what we're going to do is we will... Right. What we need to do is we need to... I don't know whether just to throw them out there as they go. Or wait for a specific point. But let's just file, export this lot. So this is starting at 81. So oh, that's not right. It was 81, wasn't it? Yeah. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Oh, that's right. Okay. Let it off. Let it off. Right. So, we can do it as part of the power up. Yeah, but we instead of when we detect it, instead of it doing a power up, we lose a life. So we could do it as part of the power up. It's just a case of when do we activate it? Or do we just throw it right at the very start? Just throw them out right at the very start. We'll throw them out right at the very start just for... just for the hell of it. based on the score. Every 100 set a flag when the 100 digit changes. Okay. Let's put that in our startup code. Initialize gameplay, that's what we want. Here we go. Right then, so let's work out the scoring then. Right. Where we do the scoring. Da, 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 da. Here we go. Utilities add, right, utilities add 1. Now game constants on should be, yes it is. Right, so every 100 makes it predictable. Yeah, that's the only problem, isn't it? But we'll stick it in. So we need insert insert add-on. I think it was insert power up utils. So it's in utils. Insert power up. Insert asset. Insert power up. Here we go. So basically no, it's not a problem. No, it's not a problem. Not a problem at all. What I'm going to do is we're going to test it right at the very start. So when we're able to insert a power up, we're going to test. Let the UFO loose, and if it's positive, then we are going to do that. Don't need that anymore. So we're just going to add we need that because we don't want any other power up being added, and we'll just copy one of these. so game sprites rotating cookie, which is not now, it's spinning UFO. Put that into the base, and then we'll take that, even though we don't need to because we've got it. Right, this is the random thing. This is the random thing. So it's right. So we need to do cycler. Right. So we need a number between. So Nico is at level 173. So anything more than 173. Right. So first let's do that. Compare with if it's greater than or equal to, go back to looper and get another number. What range do you want? Mask and subtract from floor. I suppose. Well, we want it to be. So the highest tree we've got is what, six rows? Right, so we want anything between there and there, don't we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoops. 56. I'll do. So, any number bigger than 57, get us another one. And right, so this is going to be good, isn't it? Right, so we load Nico's floor, we subtract our number, and then we store it in the Y. And then we jump to activate power sprite. That should turn it on. Right, let's see. Oh, where's it gone? Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Right, so at the moment we're not gonna we're not going to do anything yet. So we're just going to see if it does it. Now, let me turn collisions off. Let me turn collisions off. Hello, pan spinning kids. Welcome. Right, so it's after 100, isn't it? Here we go. So I've turned collisions off, so we shouldn't. Okay. Right. That is definitely not right. Right, that sorts the colour problem out. Why was that on? It was dropping on every 10. Dude, did you really spot that? Okay, if that's the case, then we'll put that there then. Oh, I can't believe that you spotted that, mate, if you did. Let's speed it up. Come on. There it is. But that was the wrong colour. That was the wrong colour. Definitely dark grey. No, it's that. It's not the right colour scheme, is it? Because the yellow's grey. Let's do light grey. Right, I am going to cheat. Right, I'm going to cheat and I'm going to make it do it on every 10 just for the moment, because I want to run it slowly. Yeah, me and you are on the same page, mate. Right, we'll do it on easy so we can see it. There we go. Yeah, we're not the same colour scheme. We're not the same colour scheme. That's a shame, because we'd have to change this. So what we need to do is we need to swap the light grey with dark grey, and then we'll make the sprite yellow. So that's what we're going to do. So we've got to make the light grey dark grey. So let's see if we can change the pens. So we got white, I think. Yeah, so that's white, so that's right. It's this yellow. Needs to be dark grey. That's what's happening. So we'll make it green. We'll make it green. I'm going to need help here. Right, let's do my favourite thing. So I know what I'm doing. Right, so we're going to change the dark grey to be green. Right? Because that's going to be dark grey in the game. And then, right, so that's going to now, we can now make that dark grey. And then we're going to add the sprite colour to be yellow. So we end up with a light at the bottom. And we have them there, them there, them there, and them there. Right, let's do the next one. So, green. Right, let's do that. So everything's going to be green. Right, so that now turns into dark grey, and we're going to use the sprite colour yellow, which is then this here, this, one down, one up there, 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 there. Right, that's that one. Oh, we'll make that yellow. There we go. Right, so I think it was one there, one there, one there. Oh, there's a flood fill tool. Oh, right, okay. I'm not Oh, just the snipping tool. I'm not sure I've got this right. No, I haven't. I think it's like that, isn't it? And then yellow's up here, isn't it? Let's grab that again. Right, let's sort this out. Flood, you say there's a flood. Oh yeah, there is. Let's hope it does it. Oh, well, I never did it. Right. Okay, so this one was... oh, not flood. There. We was doing that. Then that. Then that. That one. And that one. And then the light at the bottom. Right, so... we need to have a white one. So the white's there. We need that. Oh, that's just that, isn't it? Okay. I think that needs to go up, doesn't it? Oh, Windows key Shift S. Right, let's save that. Let's export that. Okay. Now, let's change the color. To yellow. Right, let's see. That white. Right. Second, third, fourth, fifth. That white window. There we go. That might look better now. Right, that might look better. What do you think? It's going to come round again. What do you think? Does that look all right? Yeah, I added the white lights. Yeah, I've added the white lights. They're there. You just can't see it with the yellow. I'm just wondering if we let's change the yellow to green or something like that. Make it a bit stand out a bit more. Let's do green, so it's got a green light. There we go. Right, okay. So let's just swap this around a bit. So we'll make that be the white light. Make that be the white light. Make that be the white light. I think that does it. Right, let's see what that looks like. Okay. Oh, dear. Gee. The window look yellow. No, it's not yellow, it's white. It's definitely white. Someone's had a healthy dinner. Right. So we have a flying saucer. So what we need to do now is when we do the detection. So let's find where the detection routine is. Nico, power up detection. Here we go. Nico. Power up detection. Right. Test for flight. Test for invincibility. Exit. So we're gonna do this. Like that. And this is test for UFO. And we'll put that in there. So we are looking for the base sprite. Right, so we need to play no, we just need to change the mode, don't we? Okay, Docster, thanks for joining. Okay, SP, we will try that, yeah? Right, so I need to where's the system to set the dazed? Oh, that's in the collision, isn't it? Aha, here we go. Background sprite collision. That's what we're looking for. Oh, that's all we're doing then. That's all we're doing. Right, so in Nico, we are just going to do that. Set it into daze mode. Right. Let's see. Let's see if we can purposely hit a UFO. Here we go. Sorted. Right, let's put the lives back on the start, because we put it down a 1, didn't we? Difficulty, initialize game, where are you? Set up sprites. Gameplay, gone too far. This has got to be initialized game. Choose. Where are we? Right. Where's that highlighted? That's there. There we go. Initialize. Number of lives. 5. Right, let's see properly if it's going to knock us a life off. In fact, before we do that, I said we was going to try something. Where are we? So red. So we're trying your red. Yeah, let's see what it looks like in red. Here we go. So there we go. We lost a life. Continue. Lost another one. This was easier than scrolling text. Yeah. Well, it looks like it's working. Oh, even from the top. Just walk into it. There we go. Yeah. Well, there we go. So now, right. So let's. We're throwing it every 10. Let's change it back to. I've forgotten where it is. Utils. It's in here somewhere, isn't it? There we go. Let's do. No. I'll rem it out, but we'll put it in there. So that's now coming on every 100. Does the red look better on the UFO? That's the question. No, it won't. It won't clear it. That's the thing. You're gonna lose a life. You will lose a life in that situation. Yes, right. So let's sort. Well, we haven't even done the reset of the game, have we? So okay, so we have done this. We got distracted with end game text scroller. We got distracted with that. So let's put that up here. We got that to do. Me chasing. Right, let's start putting these like so. Oh, who's following? Who's following? Say hello, who's just followed? Let's have a look. Peter Geens? Peter Geens? Say hello to our new latest follower. Welcome, welcome. Right, so what's chat saying? What's chat saying? In the Dino game, the bird moves faster than the scroll. So that, so that you can avoid. So the bird moves faster than the scroll. Right. Okay. Okay. Might as well do that while we're talking about it. Utils. That's going to be in the move. That's going to be in the move power up. Let's have a look. Insert. Test for move power ups. Here we go. We are subtracting the speed value. So if we want to make it move faster, Um, do. We're not using anything for X, are we? Or are we? We'll use Y. So we're going to make it move 1 pixel faster, yeah? Yeah. And then we'll store Y in there. Right, let's see if that does it. You ain't been hearing the fabulous music for ages, so turn it on. Oh. Everything's coming to you faster. Everything. Everything's coming at us faster. Right, here we go. Ten more to go. Here comes the UFO. Oh. That's not good. Yeah, we need to clear the UFO. Let's do that. You should be able to go down. Yeah, but we haven't got the down functionality, yeah. But what we need to do is when it in dazed mode, we need to get rid of the turn off the sprite. So we'll do it here. Oh, what's this? Or, oh, this is the game over, isn't it? No, it's not. Yeah, we've got invincibility on. Yeah. Let's... I don't think we're testing for invincibility. Hang on. Let me... utils. I think it's in there. Detect, isn't it? Here we go. That's moving. Ah, here we go. Power up. Detection. Where's detection? I can't remember where detection was. Oh, it's in Nico, isn't it? Detection. Here we go. Test for UFO. So, we need to do the same as what we do with the assets. Let me just find it.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
If we did then no power-ups while invincibility. No. You're thinking if we did it globally, mate. I'm not going to do it globally. I'm just looking for the invincibility test. Oh, it's getting so large this now. Chosen difficulty. Playing the game. Here we go. So we do the background test. Not there. Where's the background test? Here, right, here's the background test. Oh, okay. Well, okay. We've got it where we test Oh, do we actually do the collision detection test when invincibility's on? Bypass for invincibility. Decrease timer, bypass. Power up. Invincibility. Here we go. So this is what we need. This. That's what we need. Right. Nico. Where's the detection? Decrease. Power up detection. Here we go. Here we go. Right. So if it's the spinning UFO, then we check for the power up. And if it has the invincibility power up, we're not gonna set it to go to dazed, right? So that should mitigate that whole scenario. Right, let's put it back on to 10. Utils. Let's put it on 10 so we can test it. Right, so we're looking for the point where his head height or something like that, yeah? So it should be pretty easy. We're bound to get one. There's invincibility. Oh! I went into game mode then. Ooh. Right. Oh, hang on. If it's equal, that means it's got pack invent. Right, that's it. Let's try that again. Invincibility. This will be a test if it comes up. Here we go. Yeah. Right, let's try and hit. Yep, so it's still doing it. There we go. Right, here we go. Pause. Sorted. Sorted. Ooh, that was lucky. Ooh, another one. I want to lower one down. Come on, give me a low one. No, I want lower than that. Now we've got invincibilities. No. Here we go. Right, this is the test. So, here we go. Yep, it allows us to carry on. Maybe you should set the default difficult to medium instead of easy. Well, the default was set to pup, wasn't it? But yeah, we can do that. But this is now working now. Here we go. Nice, nice. Let's set it to easy. Choose difficulty. Hang on. Difficulty level. Right, difficulty level. LDA #2. Right, that. No, there. The sprite's not moved. Why? Oh, the sprite's not moved. Because we fixed it. Hang on. Oi, John, pay attention to chat. Suggestion: the height of the saucer should not be higher than the tallest tree. Oh, okay. Well, we can sort that out. Let me just... It's, nah, we'll leave it as it is. We'll leave it as it is. Right. Shouldn't be higher than the tallest tree. So if that's the case, we need to reduce our cycler. So we'll go down to that and take the floor minus whatever it is. That should do it. Let's just see. Let's see how high they get. Oh, it needs to come down even further. If you can't go above the trees, then it's a cheaply built spaceship. Right. 176 minus 50. Okay, 50 divided by 8. 48. Let's try that. Let's try that. There you go. Yeah, it's just a little bit too low, isn't it? So let's see, 32. We'll try 40. We'll just to. Oh, wrong one. Right, that was down low. There we go, that'll do. I like that. Because we still can jump over it, look. See, it was higher than it. There you go. Sorted. You think the height should be a little higher? Okay. Not a problem. We'll knock it up another row. There you go, knocked it up another row. Okay, Nicomo, we'll see you next time. I think that should do it. Didn't manage to jump over that. Ran out of health. Oh, it's too high. Can't jump over it. Can't jump over it. So we'll knock it down to 44, something like that. Bring it down a little bit. Can't jump over it. Go and jump it over there. I think we've got it. I think we've got the height right now. Yeah, we've got the height right. Do you get points for jumping over it? No. The only reason I'm on about the jumping over the UFO is if it's at the if you make it higher than the trees and the UFO comes over a tree, you can't jump over. Yeah. So we want to give them the opportunity to be able to make it. So if we don't make the UFO too high, can't jump over it. But I think the level we've got, you can just make it if you get your timing right. Yeah, no cheap deaths. No cheap deaths. Right, I think we've made excellent progress for another stream, even though it started a little bit on the slow side. Right, let me just add this. Whoop, episode 13. Commit that. Right then, guys. So, next stream, finish off the high score. If somebody wants to do work out some text for the end screen to put on the end screen, let me know. Can't use numbers, just use the letters, yeah. And we'll put it in. We need to think about parallaxing, trying to get some parallaxing going on, and then sort the health bug out, so we can try and do some of that on the next stream, and then hopefully we're getting pretty close to having a working game, and then we'll stabilize the rasters. Yeah, we'll stabilize the rasters. All right then, guys. Well, thank you very much for joining me. It's been another long one, I think. Yeah, near enough 4 hours, and I will see you on Wednesday. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.